Our story commences in 1971 in the thriving city of Oklahoma. In a modest office, the foundations of Devon Energy were laid down by John Nichols and his son Larry. What began as a family enterprise rooted in the prospecting and production of oil and natural gas, unfolded into a narrative that continues to inspire entrepreneurship and perseverance till this day. 1988 marks a significant year in the chronicle of Devon Energy. The company issued its first public offering, a bold move that saw it listed on the prestigious New York Stock Exchange. Riding a wave of investor confidence, the firm embarked on a relentless spree of growth, underpinned by a series of astute strategic acquisitions. An emblematic milestone on this upwards journey was the fusion with Santa Fe Snyder in 2000, a deal brokered at a staggering $3.5 billion. The following year, Devon cemented its standing by acquiring Anderson Exploration at a cost of $4.6 billion, fortifying its position as one of Canada's key independent gas producers. Yet another strategic maneuver that solidified Devon's stature in the energy sector was the acquisition of Ocean Energy in 2003, a deal that originated from a group's widening presence in the oil and gas market. With an astonishing price tag of $5.3 billion, this transaction also made Devon the most significant independent producer of oil and gas in the United States at the time. Devon's growth trajectory over the years had boldly illustrated the power and effectiveness of strategic acquisitions. In 2020, this philosophy of growth by synergy culminated in a merger with WPX Energy, a landmark deal that saw the birth of a giant valued at an impressive $12 billion. Strengthening its presence within the prolific Permian Basin, the unified entity emerged as a force to reckon with in the American petroleum spectrum. Underneath the accolades and milestones, Devon's journey distinctly attests to the belief that considerable growth inevitably springs from foresight, determination, and audacious decisions. This narrative served as an inspiring template for budding entrepreneurs and established market players alike. This metamorphosis unraveled over a span of decades, right up to present day, ensuring the company's indisputable place in the annals of Americans' corporate history and energy sector. The astronomic rise of Devon Energy, from a small family operation to a global industry linchpin, is a testament to the company's commitment to continuous growth and development. It powered past challenges, seized opportunities, and conducted businesses with an unerring focus on integrity and innovation. Devon's workforce mirrored the diverse and ever-expanding nature of its operations. It prided itself on a talented, committed, and driven group of professionals who pursued, with eco-conscious care and sustainable profitability. It was this team's combined effort that forged the steel backbone of the company, capable of bearing the weight of Devon's rapid expansion without faltering. Over the years, Devon managed to skillfully maneuver the changing tides in the energy industry. Despite the sporadic storms that closed in from time to time, the company showed impressive agility and adaptability. Through incessant innovation and the deployment of cutting-edge technology, Devon harnessed more from existing resources, protecting its assets from being rendered obsolete and seizing the opportunities to capitalize on promising market trends. Devon Energy also carved for itself a reputation for fostering robust corporate bonds within the communities it operates. It fashioned sustainable, long-term partnerships, working together towards common goals with local governments, businesses, and non-profit organizations, showing its commitment to surmounting social challenges alongside business challenges. Boasting a comprehensive portfolio, Devon leverages its expertise across the energy value chain. From rural farmlands to bustling cities, Devon's operations leave a mark not just on the landscape, but on the lives of many workers, stakeholders, and communities. Its commitment to sustainability, safety, and reliability paves the way to a shared prosperity for the company as well as its partners. As with any successful venture, Devon Energy's journey is also peppered with challenges, from volatile market conditions to increasing regulations. Still, underpinning it all, is the same dauntless spirit that saw the company from its earliest days. This spirit of enterprise, of looking forward, and of stepping up when the going gets tough has consistently driven Devon towards innovation, resilience and growth. Like most stories of great success, Devon's narrative wasn't written overnight. A testament to the ceaseless march of progress and vision, laced with the sweet taste of true triumph, this history is a rich tapestry of turbulent storms weathered, daunting mountains scaled, and unprecedented feats achieved against all odds. Beyond the dollars and cents, the reverberations of this story echo within every corner of the industry as a testament to what can be achieved through a blend of ingenuity, courage, and steadfast determination. In the course of half a century, a small outfit in Oklahoma burgeoned into a leviathan in the energy sector, straddling the continent from end to end. Devon's strategic vision, financial resilience, unwavering commitment to safety and integrity, and consistent focus on operational excellence helped propel it into the league of the 500 largest U.S. companies and beyond. Looking ahead, the path appears both promising and challenging. The energy landscape is rapidly transforming, the market is more uncertain than ever, and economic and environmental challenges stand stark on the horizon. The key to Devon's continued success lies in its ability to steer this course, leveraging its rich legacy, dynamic organizational DNA, and steadfast commitment to create value for all its stakeholders. Even in the face of mounting pressure for companies to shift their focus to renewable energy solutions, Devon is unwavering in remaining a key player in the conventional energy sector. With a strong focus on operational efficiencies and profit margins, it continues to deliver value to its shareholders, while laying the groundwork for a smooth and strategic pivot towards sustainability. As Devon reflected on its past, it honed its vision for the future. The successful execution of this vision would require it to maintain rock-solid commitment to operational excellence and financial discipline, a continued adherence to its strategic core, and an unflinching focus on delivering profitable growth amid the complexities of a rapidly evolving energy landscape. Going forward, it's evident that the core principles on which Devon was founded, integrity, safety, teamwork, and a positive and enduring culture, will continue to guide its decisions and actions. In the grand scheme of this narrative, what becomes clear is that Devon's greatest journey is just beginning. Its deep-seated resilience and unwavering principles will continue to levitate the enterprise towards grander stages of success and leadership. In our narrative, Devon Energy emerges, not merely as a powerhouse in the oil and gas industry, but an inspirational beacon of growth and resilience in the annals of corporate America. Over the past 50 years, it has shaped the landscapes of the physical, and, in many ways, the economic, terrains it operated in, leaving an indelible mark along its journey. In the final analysis, Devon's ascendancy isn't just about shareholder value or market capitalization. Its true mosaic is painted with the brushstrokes of individual triumphs, the many lives touched and transformed, the communities made, unmade, and rebuilt, and the environment that bore the load of our industrial progress. Against this rich backdrop, it's evident that all of Devon's milestones align towards the overarching goal of building a future that is brighter, not just for the company, shareholders, and employees, but for society and the environment alike. So, as we chart our path to the future, it's interesting to speculate what comes next. With a legacy and a reputation that are only matched by its sheer size and operational scope, the next chapter of Devon's iconic story holds the promise of numerous opportunities, exciting partnerships, and game-changing innovations. How can a company that has achieved so much continue to push the boundaries? The answer lies in Devon's DNA, its driving spirit. The same spirit founded on the principles of integrity, safety, and excellence, the same spirit that guided it through its rise from a family enterprise to a multi-billion-dollar corporation. It's this spirit that will shape and define Devon's journey for the years to come. From innovation and sustainability to safety and operational excellence, and from digital transformation to potential areas for diversified growth, environmental challenges, and stakeholder interests, Devon will continue to respond to the pressing issues of our times and chart a course towards a sustainable future in a dynamically changing landscape. The story of Devon Energy isn't just about staying ahead of the curve. It's about shaping the curve. Through its unwavering commitment to responsible energy development and its steadfast focus on driving sustainable progress, Devon will continue to define the leading edge of the industry. While Devon reacts to the shifting dynamics of the energy sector, it also continues to assert its disruptive force. Able navigation of the complex interplay of technological advancements, policy changes, changing consumer preferences, and the evolving competitive landscape attest to the company's agility and adaptability. There is every indication that Devon Energy's continued journey into the future will be as exciting and rewarding as its storied past. It's a future built on years of collective experience, imbued with an enduring legacy, and powered by an indomitable spirit of entrepreneurship. A spiral of innovation, sustainability, growth, and success that began in 1971 continues to ascend, higher and higher, in the year 2025 and beyond. Counting time in years, quantifying growth in capital, or calibrating achievements in milestones might help shape the broader narrative around Devon Energy. Still, in the final reckoning, it is the collective effort of its people, their resilience, their skill, and their commitment that will not only underpin Devon's journey but also navigate it towards a powerful, promising future. Integrity, resilience, and innovation, the bedrocks on which Devon's success stands, will remain the guiding stars as it forges ahead. Like a symphony playing its final chords, this tale reminds us that every ending, as in the case of Devon, is merely a prelude to an exciting and promising beginning, a canvas waiting to be painted with the broad strokes of an illustrious future. As the curtain momentarily falls on the tale of Devon Energy, the interplay of past, present, and future weaves a fascinating narrative. It's a narrative that is as much about transformation as it is about continuity, about the formidable challenges that were overcome and the ever-renewing opportunities that lie ahead. The golden jubilee of Devon Energy represents not an endpoint but a midpoint, a milestone to mark a journey far from over. As company pillars of innovation and sustainability, commitment to excellence, leadership, and value creation, keep propelling Devon upward. 2021 and every year beyond paints a thrilling and dynamic canvas of potential and possibility. The shifting tides of time and trends cascade over the unyielding rock of Devon's commitment. The past lends its wisdom, the present sets the rhythm, and the future heralds the tune of a remarkable journey of success, significance, and enduring spirit. A story of a journey which has no end, signifying that the best, indeed, is yet to come under the Devon canopy. The strides and milestones achieved by Devon Energy are not just an illustrative testament of their steadfast ability to outgrow their roots. They also paint a vivid picture of the monumental influence and transformation the company has lent to the broader narrative of countrywide industry evolution, social and community development, the environment, and corporate sustainability. Each pivot, each evolution recounted by the journey is a glowing exemplar of its commitment to being an integral player in driving growth, fostering progress, and striving for continuous betterment. It is in the backdrop of amazing successes, the rising trends, and the echoes of the fascinating journey that we stand on the cusp of the future. As the majestic Devon story turns a new corner, we are left to marvel at the possibilities it unfurls, waiting to be scripted into another chapter of breakthrough innovation, ceaseless growth, and unwavering commitment. And as the tale expands, in the ever-unfolding chronicle of oil and gas, of sustainability, of growth, we realize the thrilling truth. We are witnessing the birth of milestones, the ushering in of an era that will mold the future of energy, and more significantly, shape the story of human potential.